What's good? This your man's LB, of course. We're gonna make some greens today, right? They say, why you don't show us how to do it? You don't know how to make greens? Alright, take the stems off, right? Take the stems off. You gotta sharpen your knife, right? You gotta have everything prepared and ready, right? You're gonna chop your greens. I got some mustard greens, right? And I got some collard greens, right? I'm gonna mix them up together just like that. Why? Because you can. Ain't no problem. Then you put them in the water so you can wash them off just like this. It's vinegar and water, right? I don't even know why, but vinegar and water. Somebody told me that. Get your onion, chop your onion up just like this. After the onions, you get your garlic. You smash your garlic just like that. Smash your garlic just like that. Then you chop your garlic just like that. It ain't gotta be no particular type chop, just rough chop, just like that. I had an extra can of stewed tomatoes in the hookup. I said, let me throw this in here just because. I ain't got no can opener though. You use your knife. You keep your hood, right? You keep your hood. Your can is open. Look at them stewed tomatoes. Got some neck bones. You rinse your neck bones off, make sure they straight. Smoked neck bones to be exact. You grab your pressure cooker pot, a little water down there. You throw some greens in there, just like that, right? You got your greens in there, then you get them neck bones, boop. Throw your neck bones in there, try to fit them in there. Ain't no room in this dang on pot. We're gonna make it work though. Got all your neck bones in. Put some more greens in there. Why? Because you got some more greens. Then you got your seasoning. Season to your taste, how you taste it, how you like it. I just be seasoning it up all types of ways. Get your garlic, get your onions, get your stewed tomatoes. Try to fit it all in there. As you see, it's overflowing, but we gonna make it work. Get your water, get your beef stock, get your chicken stock, whatever. Make it work. Put it in the pressure cooker. Try to make it fit. I don't know what I was doing here, trying to push it down, but it wasn't going nowhere. It's all good. We're gonna make it work. Put the top on, just like that. Set this thing to 45 to 50 minutes, because it's gonna cook that fast. And guess what? You see the steam coming off? It's been 45 to 50 minutes. Look at that steam. It's time to eat. Let's look at these things. Uh, you want some right now? I know you do. Hit me up. You want some right now? Look at this plate. I should have had some hot water cornbread, some all the other stuff, but this is to show you how to cook these greens, right? Let's see how it tastes. Gotta see how it tastes. Blow it off because it's hot. Don't do it. Ah! Yeah, like that. Now you know.